Class of 2020. Listen, this is the part of the speech where someone usually tells you how hard and challenging life is going to be, and you definitely don't need to hear that. This is also the part of the speech where someone says something like, reach for the stars, keep your face to the sunshine. You don't need to hear that from me. All right? Crises don't come with instruction manuals. You're walking into a new reality. The world you knew in 2019 is no longer. And if anyone tries to convince you, I don't care how old they are, I don't care where they come from, if anyone tries to convince you that they know what they're doing, I need you to unfollow them. Unfollow them immediately, and I'm not just talking about social media. Listen, I've got 5 pieces of advice for you as you move forward on this next flight in life. Number 1, stop trying to figure it out. Just stop. Listen, I know there's so much pressure to find your purpose, to find what you were meant to do here on the earth. This is what I believe, that you were placed on this earth to do several things, to impact so many people in so many ways. There are seasons to your life. This is not just one journey. And so at some parts, you may be asked to build on a talent or to show a talent to the world that they have not seen for that particular season. But then for the next season, it may be different. So please stop trying to figure it out and just stay challenged. Number 2, I want you to spend more time with the people who are going to be at your funeral. I want you to spend more time with them. The one thing that the quarantine, the lockdown, whatever you want to call it, has done for us is this. It has shown us the people that we truly care about. There are some people that you haven't missed during this lockdown and quarantine. And I want you to remember those people, because social distancing will be a necessary component to your life moving forward. For the toxic people, the toxic relationships in your life, please, 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 when all of this passes over, don't go back to them. Number 3, I want you to ignore the 1%. So the Human Genome Project has unveiled the code that connects all of us. And this is the reality. The humans on this planet, regardless of what continent you live on, what neighborhood you're from, all of us share 99% of the same genetic code. All of us. And the world's wars and crises, conflicts have been fought over that 1%. I want you to ignore it. I want you to find the ties that bind you with people. Don't look for separators, and ignore that 1%. Number 4, and this is where your parents are going to be a little disappointed in me, but such is life. I want you to disappoint your parents. Listen, I have 2 loving parents. My wife and I are also the parents of 5 incredible humans. So I've got a little bit of credibility in this space. This is the one thing that I know. Parents, while they love you, the thing that they want the most for you is security and safety. And the world you're walking into is anything but that. And there are going to be times in your life when you're going to feel the urge to move in a different direction than the one that you told others. You're going to major in something in college, or you're going to go to technical school and learn this craft, and then there's going to be something out there on the distance that pulls and beckons you. Answer that call. Answer that call. And listen, the one thing I know is this. Your parents love you. The people around you love you. And so any short-term disappointment that they may feel will be overwhelmed by love and caring when they see you walking on the path that's right for you. And finally, this is the thing I'm going to say. Listen, the one thing we know is that GPAs, class ranks, SAT scores, those things make for poor traveling companions. It's about people, passion, and persistence. Those are the carry-on items that you are going to need on this next leg of your journey. Now, when you're out there, the eternal urge to become complacent will visit you at every turn. And the last thing that I want to urge you to do is stay in the deep end.